Ipanumpa kong ditikabian ug pagahugtan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong di gyud ko mubuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanimo lang. Kanimo lang. Kanimo saksi ang langit sa mga mata ko nga di gyud kapuyon ug ang akong dughan. Kanunay ngalan mo lang ang sangpiton ug di ko magduha-duha og tikang kung mahulog ka andam kung mahulog uban bisa na sa tadadon nining panahon. Ipanumpa kong ditikabian ug pagahugtan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong di gyud ko mabuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanimo lang. Kanimo lang. Kanimo ako ang dalangpan, ako imong taming o ginagiban, luyo nining tanan. O kung may klaro man ang kalibutan, di ko magduha-duha og tikang kung mahulog ka andam kung mahulog uban isa na sa tadadon nining panahon. Ang kinabuhi ko kanimo lang.
Wish at Tagamay. And then, ato ipag-blow niya ang birthday candles. So, ready na ka sa imong wish, Pilo? Ready na yung kayo. So, di na nato pamatan ko naman sa i-wish kaya kasi masumbong na siya, no? So, diha lang. Are you ready? Yes. So, in 3, 2, yeah. Blow the candle. Let's give a round of applause. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yes. All right. Happy birthday. Everybody shout.
Happy birthday!
Okay, blow. Uno, dos, tres.
Okay.
Ipanumpa kong ditikabian ug pagahugtan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong di gyud ko mubuhi ang langit sa mga mata kong anigid ka puyon ug ang akong dughan. Kanunay ngalan mo lang ang sang piton ug iko magduha-duha og tikang kung mahulog ka andam kung mahulog uban di sana sa tadadon nining panahon. Ipanumpa kong itikabihan o pagkaugtan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong idugo mabuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanino lang. Whoa, hey, whoa, kanino lang. Whoa, hey, whoa, kanino. Ako ang dalangpan, akong imong taming o ginagiban, luyo nining tanan. O kung may klaro man ang kalibutan, iko magduha-duha o tikang kung mahulog ka andam kung mahulog uban isa na sa tadadon nining panahon. Ipanumpa kong itikabihan o pagkaugtan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong idugo mabuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanino lang. Whoa, hey, whoa, kanino lang. Whoa, hey, Ipanumpa kong di tikabihan. Ipanumpa kong di tikabihan. Ipanumpa kong di tikabihan. Ipanumpa kong di tikabihan o pagkaugtan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong idugo mabuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanino lang. Whoa, hey, whoa, kanino lang. Whoa, hey, whoa, kanino lang. Daing bayan, bayubang, daing bayan. 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 Ipanumpa kong titikabihan o pagahuktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong digyo ko mabuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanino lang. Whoa, whoa, kanino lang. Whoa, kanino. Saksi ang langit sa mga mata kong anigid ka puyon ug ang akong dughan. Kanunay ngalan mo lang ang sang piton ug iko magduha-duha og tikang kung mahulog ka andam kung mahulog uban di sana sa tadadon nining panahon. Ipanumpa kong itikabihan o pagkaugtan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong idugo mabuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanino lang.
Day, Phil, and a long and happy retirement. Live long and prosper.
Happy birthday.
Adios.
Happy birthday, Bilas Pilo! Another blessing sa kaarawan mo ngayon. Naway maging malakas ka palagi sa araw-araw at ingatan mo yung kalusugan mo. God bless! God bless!
God bless. Happy birthday, Tito Philo.
Hi, Kuya Pilo. Blessed 65 birthday. Happy retirement. Sorry, nasa aeroplano na ako po. Putuan. Nalimutan ko. Senior moment na talaga. But di bale, at least nakahabol din para sa birthday greetings para sa iyo, Kuya Pilo. At si Fred at si Kanisa magsireunion siya yung mamaya. We love you. God bless, Kuya Pilo. See you pohon sa Butuan. Bye.
Good evening pa, and to each and everyone na present sa celebration sa imong natal day pa and your retirement pa. I pray to God for your good health and long life. I miss you so much, Ma and Pa. I love you always and forever. Your retirement marks another beautiful chapter in your life. With Mama, you've always been such a hardworking man, doing everything you could provide for your family, our family, working day and night, from office to jeepney driver at night, just to earn extra income. Through all the blood and sweat and tears, I never once heard you complain or back down on all the challenges, from the present to the next day to the next month. Even when I could see how tired you are, you still keep going and still keep fighting and to endure in life struggles. I'll never forget those nights you'd ask for massage. Those moments are memories that I always remember. To be strong and not to show weakness to us, your kids. You've always been my partner pa and my idol pa. Now that I'm also a father, I look up to you for being a good father, a devoted and family man, God-fearing, resourceful, and mentally strong. You taught us always put God first no matter what. You never compromise on Sundays. We went to church as a family, offering our time and thanks to God. You always reminded us, what is for Caesar is Caesar, and what is for God is for God's. You taught us to pray and to trust God in all our plans and desires and challenges in life. Ipadako minimo nga maayo pa. You give us rules, discipline, and boundaries. We had responsibilities in household chores, a time to study, a time to play, and a time to work. You showed us that actions have consequences and nothing in life is simply given. Everything is earned. You made us strong, not weak, ready to face life each day and to endure and to survive. You know, Pa, I used to be a hothead. I always ready to fight and brawl and never back down. But as I grew older, I saw you become calm, patient, in control, and also at the same time I learned. You never told us much about your struggles in life growing up. But as you always says, di ko ganahan nga moagi mo sa akong naagian. So pagtuon mo. You push us to study and to prepare for life. For you always said, di mi pirmi na diri sa kalibutan, diya sa iyong kiliran. Everything we've achieved as brothers is because of you, ma and pa. Thank you for all your sacrifices, pa. Especially, enjoy your special day and your retirement. We will always be here for you, ma and pa. The time, it's our turn to support and give back the fruits of your labor. See you on 28, pa and ma. Akong asawa, akong anak, sa tanan. I love you so much, pa and ma. I miss you both. God bless us all. Sorry, pa nga. Wadyo ko ka-attend sa mong birthday ron. 26 pa may muna ako. I love you, pa. I love you, ma. Amping mo, permi. God bless sa tanan.